Okay, right, I am back at the footpath where I was chasing the train and looking for the other end of that tunnel that I saw, the one, the path that's right next to the motorway. So here I am, same path. Where I was in the last video was about 5 minutes walk further that way, maybe 10 minutes, I'm not sure. But what I've done today, I've cheated. I've come in my car to the other end of the footpath, which is just up there. And I've walked down it just a little bit to show you it's the same footpath. I don't know why I felt the need to do that, I just did. I'll take you up now. So if you pretend I've just been on the footpath and walked all the way up, this is where you would have got to. This is where I would have got to on that day. Okay, this is where it comes out. Of course, that 5G tower looks like. Anyway, there's the old car over there. And yeah, so it comes out here. This is the Kilsby Road between the A5 and Crick village. And we're right over the motorway, there's a bridge. Pretty cool. Oh, look at all these lorries coming. Someone beeping at me. Alright, so I have to walk down the road here, so I thought for a minute it was there, but I think it's the next lay-by. Yep, more of them. Aha, it's not. I was thinking it was in that lay-by there, but it's right here. I'm just walking past it now. So here it is on the Kilsby Road. It's the Watford Road further up, but as you get down here, it's the Kilsby Road, and there's two lay-bys. Big. They've got this road's got big, high curbs here. So yeah, between that lay-by and that lay-by, it's right here, hidden, and this is the opening to the tunnel. You see the track down there and the light. That is where that tunnel that I discovered, that tunnel that I saw comes out. Oh, there we go, there's a better view of it. yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to end that video with you know, because I didn't have much time that day and I really wanted to come out and find out where the tunnel went. If I'd have walked for another, what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I would have found it anyway with the help of Google Maps. But yeah, there it is. Just come up the road a bit. It's this other lay-by that I just showed you. Just wanted to have a look, see what's here. Obviously no access. Tell you what I did just spot there. Just spotted a footpath sign on the, which is, I thought that was just some private drive or something, but there's a footpath sign on it, so you can obviously go that way. Wish I didn't know that was there, so I'll have to look on the maps and check out what that is. Anyway, that's it, really. I was hoping a train might come, but I've stood for about 5 minutes down there waiting, thinking maybe something might come, but it hasn't, so we'll call it a day there then. Yeah, who's that nosy bugger? They're looking at what I'm doing. Don't know. Who cares if they are? Anyway, cheerio. Yes, got one. I said I was ending the video, but I waited here for about 5 minutes and we got one. Well, that's another freight train as well, isn't it? I'll have to look on the map. I'm wondering whether that line is just... Nah, it can't be, can it? I don't know, I'm speculating over. There we have it. Right, cheerio for now. Proper.